This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by stabilizing the bed and inspecting every joint to find the real problem. Once the top is supported, remove bedding and expose fasteners. You want clear access to bolts and welds. Check for missing or stripped bolts and note any bent rails or cracked weld beads. Make sure to mark parts that need replacing and set aside matching replacements. This focused first pass prevents wasted effort later and lets you move directly to tightening and minor straightening with confidence. Now you methodically work through joints. Loosen each bolt, realign mating parts, then torque them evenly so surfaces seat properly. If bolts are stripped or threads damaged, replace them with the same grade and diameter. Once in place, apply medium-strength thread locker to prevent future loosening. For bent rails, use a rubber mallet and steady pressure, small taps to avoid further deformation. Once aligned, reattach slats and check the underside supports, making sure the load path is straight and secure. Finish by reinforcing weak spots. If welds show hairline cracks, either bolt on a steel bracket to bridge the gap or arrange a professional re-weld. Once reinforcements are in, tighten all ladder and guardrail fastenings. Then perform a controlled load test, sit, then add weight incrementally while listening for creaks and checking fasteners between steps. If you hear movement, red-itin or add a bracket. One troubleshooting tip: if persistent wobble remains, isolate the loose joint and temporarily brace it while you replace the offending hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.